Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Morning.
In advance, thanks to the manager project, Mrs. Widya Putri, and the teaching team involved in this best learning project. Introducing, my name is Ina Chaningrum as moderator in this presentation. In this presentation, we take the topic of water quality monitoring application and the titles Standard pH of water worthy of use. Next. Of course, this project was built with my team. Name is Muhammad Ardiansyah as leader, Zaid Ahmad Abdillah as member, Muhammad Safrijan as member, Fatka Kastrinanta as member. Next. Okay, this is the description project. This app is designed for Android user, so you can access the application use Android phone. This application usability to detect water is used for everyday needs, such as drinking water and bathing water. The standard pH of clean and safe water is between 6.5 until 9.0. It means that's good water to use. There are some features in these apps. You can find the get started, water pH detection, water temperature, and others. Next. This is the contribution to course engagement. Can explain by Fatka Kastrinanta.
Okay, I will explain my part. Contribution to course engagement. First, computer system administration. Contribution to Linux user and computer resource management on computer systems. Second is mobile device programming. Contribution to create user interface, integrate with multimedia content, create application, connect to Flutter. Third is object programming. Contribution to front-end, back-end program with basic OOP concept. Multimedia IoT system. Contribution to implement how to move sensors and resistor in an IoT for application. Next, five is statistic. Contribution to basic concept of data collection, probability, and sample distribution for application. 6 is citizenship education. Contribution to design the interface of the PBL application using symbols and designs that indicate Indonesian citizenship. 7 is general English. Contribution to how to create paragraph essay for final report, and how to speak with formal and informal for presentation. Okay.
Okay, next this is the project output. Can explain by Ardiansyah.
Okay, project output. Here is the output of the project that we have been working on. Then is a final report, mobile-based application, application demo video, manual book, poster, HKI document, event news accepted, and REST proposal. Next. Okay. Logbook history. Here is a history logbook of our progress so far. Our process has escaped 100%. We have complete our PBL project. Next. Obstacle and solution by Zaid.
Okay, I will explain the obstacles and solution. We have three points to obstacle. For obstacles, first is at the time of applying the sensor to the application. The sensor is unreadable. Second is the pH sensor is not readable because it requires a special solution. Third is the UI display is not responsive. So we're going to solution. We have four points. The first is the library on the Arduino must be modified so that it can be used to ESP32. Second is must know which type of pin reads a specific sensor. And third is must calibrate the sensor using a specific solution for the sensor. And the last four is change the UI display to be more responsive. Okay, this is our documentation. I will explain some documentation. Over here, when our backend redebug the program and database, and over here when our team create PPT for a presentation, and over there we are
try to IoT system. Okay.
Okay, this the division of work and contribution of each member can explain by Chef Rizan.
Okay, division of work and contribution of each member. Muhammad Diansah, as a leader, coordinate the PBL project. Zaid Ahmad Abdillah, create application backend, create use case, make poster. Fatka, create presentation. Design Figma, Muhammad Saprizan, create Flutter, create application front end. Ini Hacayang Room, design application in Figma, create application logo, logbook. Next, okay, external project already create. The output of the project we have already made is final report, application and sensor, HKI submission documents.
Okay, that's the presentation of our group. If we have some mistake, we apologize and thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.